What is knowledge? How is it created? Do you remember how you learned to tie your shoelaces? Is the knowledge required for this action stored in your brain, or does it lie in your hands? We at the Forum Wissen ask similar questions in our core exhibition, exploring topics like who defines what constitutes knowledge, and how is knowledge preserved and passed on to future generations? What comes to mind when you think about knowledge? Even scientific knowledge is more than just a mental activity. Such knowledge is often equally crafted by our hands. We at the Forum Wissen, the new Museum of Knowledge at the University of Göttingen in Germany, invite you to come and explore how scientific knowledge is created in our 12 spaces of knowledge. Among our many assets are the rich collections of the University of Göttingen, with their impressive variety of objects. These objects have been collected over a period of more than 300 years and range from ancient vases to living algae to historical instruments that were invented with the goal of mapping the Earth. You can be a collector yourself by using the Forum Wissen app to unlock the hidden secrets of the core exhibition. One of our primary goals is to show how knowledge is created by looking at things from different perspectives or points of view. We also want to show how knowledge changes over time, how it is an inherent part of power relations and reacts to shifts in society. Also, knowledge often grows out of debate and discussion. The wide range of perspectives and knowledge traditions that can be found in the core exhibition are also reflected by our team of student communicators, who come from many different countries and are studying a variety of scientific disciplines. We invite you to share your own perspective with us and to enter into a dialogue, not only with us, but also with other visitors. To feel connected and, of course, to have a good time. It's easy and it's free. Come join us on this exciting journey behind the scenes of the University of Göttingen and knowledge production itself. Your own perception of scientific knowledge might just very well be turned on its head.